In this video, I will show you how to auto color grade and sharpen in DaVinci Resolve. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. When you're in DaVinci, if you are using a Mac, you can press Command I to import your media. If you are using another device other than a Mac, you can simply right-click, scroll down to import media. Once you have imported your media, you then want to drag your video down to your timeline. There is a red bar over here. Make sure your bar is over your video. You can then click your video. In the bottom bar, you will see a circle made up of dots. When you put your cursor over it, you'll see multiple colors and it will say color. Click that. Below your control sign, stop, next, play, you will see another bar. The third bar is your color wheel. Select that and you will see A with a circle around it, which means auto balance. If I click that, we will see the color of my video change. So we have now auto corrected the color. To sharpen the video, go back to that bar and scroll to the right. You will see a water drop with a triangle that says blur. Click that and then you will see radius. Simply select one of the color bars, red, green, or blue, and simply scroll down to sharpen. So as I'm going down, you'll see my video image sharpen. And the higher I go, you can see that my video quality starts blurring. You want to keep it around 44 to 46 for the best quality. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.